I have this tester, so I'm gonna plug this on the other end, or actually if this is connected to the internet, this will all be green. This is the one that will tell you if you have a good connection. So I'm gonna insert it here. Let me find the connection. Okay. So watch this. Watch the green. I'm gonna connect this. Oops, on the other side. Okay. Watch this. Connected to what we just installed. I'm gonna plug this to the other end, which I already installed the jack, like this. Plugging it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All greens are light in sequence. Okay, so we're good. We installed it right. Let me just show you quickly what goes on the other side. Okay, so here's what goes on this side. Also sequential green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you got a good connection, of course, if you have the same sequence. Last time, that's why I fix it, because this one will not tell you if you got bad connection. The other one will, and it's rumbled. The numbers like 5, 6, 1, 2. Good. And let's see. Here's another way to test. I'm gonna plug this to the switch, or have it like just fix this. Have a internet connection. There. Okay, hold on. There you go. You heard the click. And I'm gonna go to the other side to plug this. Now let me replace this. And this is for, this won't tell if the sequence of the wire is correct, because this one is the other one, the other end is plugged to the switch. It will only tell you if you got good connection. I mean, see, make it fast, and we're good. This one tells you accurately, but this has to be plugged on the other end, because it's not working. Okay, that's it. Of course, you can also plug it in here, and this one on the jack. So let me plug. This is live as internet connection. That's fine. Let me just put this. Okay, let's plug this. Turn it on now. We will plug this on the other end. Okay, let's go to the other end. So unplug on the internet and plug it here. This will check alignment whichever end you plug, that's fine. But it should be the same. Oops, you're not seeing it. Here, see? So both ends. I have another video to show you how to install this. There you go.